Yeah, we going to the Waffle House before we get on the road. So. You know, okay. Let's get that cold start, Q. I need that cold start from Q. I gotta get blueprints too now. Hey, grab that. Getting the PSI back up to 32. We was at 25 for the drag strip. We about to go get waffles. So, yes sir.
Like when it started raining, like before that light rain,
yeah.
I was good.
Yeah, that's it. Hey look, you know when the rain bad, when the rain be flying up on the sides. Yeah, I was recording trying to see how good it was. Everybody on the supercar 3s right now. Q on supercar 3s. And on supercar 3s. And I'm on supercar 3s. Yeah, we had pulled over in the gas station, increasing some of the tire pressure, but yeah man, it was slippery out there. We was good. It's bad when you run through puddles of water. When the floor is like damp and wet, it's okay. But they don't do good when it's like water like that. Now when you can step your foot in and the water splashes, that's too much water. You gotta like slow down, but this is wild. So happy we not coming here and we leaving right now. Getting out that car and they leaning on that car. Dude pulled a beer out. He been there for a minute. What's up with y'all, man? It's a new day, man. As y'all can see, we just got done washing the car. So this is the day after. This is 2 days after we got back from Camaro Fest. And yeah, man, I'm gonna tell y'all, like, the ride, it was sketchy. It was real sketchy, man. Driving what I want to say. Driving 430 miles through a storm on these supercar 3s were sketchy. Was real sketchy, man. Like, yeah, man. Other than that, though, the trip was awesome. If I could do it all over again with my same group, I would. Them guys are awesome. So yeah, we all had fun, man. That was my first track day. I'm super sick I didn't get the footage for y'all though. I slid off the track. Look, I didn't slide off the track. We were still on track. We just wasn't on the track, okay? Let me explain. So I was going crazy. I got my first pass. I'm like, oh man, I feel like the guy. Then I noticed the straightaway came up. I hit the straightaway. We hit a few turns. Then the ZL11LE that was behind me, he was on my tail, but it was like as soon as I hit a turn, you know, he was just now hitting the turn and stuff like that. So I was getting too cocky. Man, I tried to get a little bit more distance on him. Man, I hit a turn too hard. I slid a little bit. I almost went in the grass, but I turned the car back straight. Then I kind of hit the brakes again and turned a little bit. So I didn't go in the grass. But yeah, man, it was a great experience. You know what I'm saying? I learned a lot of things about the car and I met a lot of cool people. So yeah, overall, the trip was well worth it. if you didn't go to Camaro Fest this year, I advise you, and I will, you know what I'm saying, tell you that you should experience it at least once. Even if you don't got a Camaro, ride down with a buddy or somebody you know that has a Camaro or something like that to enjoy it. You didn't have to get on, you didn't have to do anything like racetrack wise or do anything to enjoy the trip. It's just fun, man. The vibe, you know, all the people, see all the crazy stuff. It's just a great experience overall. But back to what we actually made the video about. It was super sketchy. The Supercar 3s, the Goodyear Supercar 3s, I got the 305s on the back. They do pretty good. They were really awesome on the track. Like, you know, it was my first time, so you know, I can't really compare. Next time I put some new tires on the car, we gonna try some different tires. We gonna do the tracking and drag strip again on those tires and see. But yeah, I got a lot of stuff planned coming up for this car, so we just getting started. We about to start doing a little bit more vlogs Might get some more track footage on the car. Most of that probably gonna be with me going by myself or seeing if I can, you know, go with some people I know. So yeah, I could be looking forward to that. And yeah, I think I might also I'm thinking about getting a little setup back here. You know, I don't wanna say too much. We got some interior things coming. I don't wanna say too much. You know what I'm saying? Just stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You know what I'm saying? Drop a like. Drop a comment, you know what I'm saying, share the video. Show your boy some love, man. It's your boy Tazbegrinding, man. I'm out. Peace.